In this video, we're making this masaledar capsicum potato sabzi that is super easy to make. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. First, in a big bowl, add in the onions, green chilies, tomatoes, capsicum, potatoes, ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, and the bhajla masala. This is an East Indian bottle masala, but you can use other spices as well. And then just mix all of this by hand until everything is well coated. Then in a pan, you're going to heat some oil. Once the oil is hot, you can add in the vegetable mixture. Give it a stir and then cover and cook this on low flame. You're going to cook this for a total time of 30 minutes, and every 10 minutes, you just need to uncover it and give it a good mix. As you can see, the sabzi is slowly coming together, and all you need to do is just stir it every 10 minutes. After a total of about 30 to 35 minutes, the sabzi comes together and everything is nicely cooked. You can serve this with chapati or bread and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this easy recipe. Subscribe for more videos and I will see you soon. Bye.